Hi, welcome to this week's episode of Learning with Lori. This week I thought I would talk to you about open houses. If you were to ask 10 different realtors what their thoughts are on open houses, you would get 10 different answers. Some love them, some hate them. I am in the camp of I like them and I think they're very useful. One of the things I really like about an open house is sometimes you get people coming in who had no intentions of purchasing a property before they entered the door, but they walk in, they fall in love, and they look into considering, is this the property that they want to buy? This, honest to goodness, has happened to me at more than one open house. Quite often you get neighbors in there and people don't necessarily like that. But quite often, and I think going forward after the pandemic and after the lockdowns, I think families have found a way to get closer and want to be physically closer to each other. So I think having neighbors come in to see, is this property good for mom or dad or aunt or uncle, is going to be a good thing going forward. It's also a good way to advertise and get the property out to the public to let them know that it's for sale. So me personally, I am in favor of open houses. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day. My name is Lori Roberts. I am a full-time real estate broker in Durham region. Take care.